Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Hey everyone, looking at SPY, so follow through to the upside today, though it certainly wasn't exuberant for the bulls. We had the tech sector on fire yet again, but the financial sector continues to lag behind. No bull action there, so we did see some upside and a new all-time high, and SPX hit a new all-time high, so that was a good sign for the bulls, but not really much follow-through, not a ton of action after the French elections here. A really limited range and not a lot of volume at all. So the bulls are certainly still in control with higher lows and higher highs continuing, but bulls obviously would have liked to have seen a little bit more momentum, a little bit more volume to the upside. So we'll see if that shows up tomorrow. We do have a nice inside bar on the daily time frame for XLF, the financial sector, to be watching to see if that sector can start to play catch up a little bit and help these tech bulls out, which are really holding up SPY on their own the past couple of days. So the weekly time frame for SPY continuing to be extremely strong, exponential supports, and really nothing you can say bearish about this chart. We're close to a bullish MACD cross, and we are looking strong. IWM on the daily time frame, inside bar here as well, so a tightening range. The lower wicks the past 4 days certainly show the bulls buying these dips off of that middle Bollinger Band. And we've got resistance of 138.99 and 138.98, a little double top the past 2 days. So the bulls looking for some follow through here, and they need to see a break of that 138.99 level for some continuation. So the lower wick showing the bulls buying the dip off that middle Bollinger Band. Lots of strength overall, because considering where we are coming from, a big time move to the upside, filled the gaps back to the downside, and now the bulls are looking to establish their new higher low, which at this point does appear to be this middle Bollinger Band. If we can continue to hold it, we're obviously going to continue to the upside. So the weekly time frame is rejecting from the upper Bollinger Band resistance, and we've got the middle Bollinger Band support, and that's the range we are watching. You can see this upper Bollinger Band is slowly ascending to the upside, and we will watch to see if the bulls can continue, which certainly following S&P 500 and QQQ strength, we would anticipate IWM to form a new higher low in the short term. And again, don't disregard these lower wicks. The psychology of each candlestick is bulls are buying these dips 4 days in a row. QQQ extremely strong, clearly the lead here. Close at the highs, nice continuation, higher lows and higher highs, and we are looking at 138 psychological resistance as the next target to the upside. Weekly time frame, bulls in full control, extremely strong, and really this is the absolute picture-perfect chart. There is nothing you can say bearish about this chart, and really just watching to see when are these bulls going to slow down. And I've been waiting, I won't say I've been waiting, but I've been keeping an eye out very closely for signals ever since the election, and they just are not here. Higher lows and higher highs, perfect bull flag continuation, new support down at 136.56, and there is no slowdown in sight as long as these lead breakout bulls continue strong. We've got Amazon looking for a new all-time high soon. Apple has just been jaw-dropping, and Facebook is a bit of a laggard after its earnings, trying to see if those bulls can turn things around. But this is just picture perfect for the bulls, and that's that. We'll check back in tomorrow. I appreciate you watching.